What's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Cardano Adya. At this time, the people are doing a very big mistake, but they can't understand, my friends. Please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market is 1.47 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Cardano, but actually at this time the people start some mistake. And you already know about the previous days falls of the Cardano. In the previous days, the Cardano and other cryptocurrencies is very badly falls down. Due to this, the people start a very big mistake. My friends, if you do this mistake now at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so maybe, my friends, there is a chance to you will get a profit from Cardano, my friends. Keep watching this video. This is very important, my friends. My friends, as you can see here that if you look the price changes of the Cardano Adda, so you can see here that continuously price falls down of Cardano from the previous last 1 month, from the previous last 1 week. Last 1 week price changes is negative, so that's mean that the price is falls down from the week, and last 1 day pricing is negative last 1 hour. Only at this time now, at this time the last 60-minute pricing is start moving upward, and this 60-minute only in the last at this time only last 60 minutes the price start moving upward. So my friends, you know what, the people worrying about that and people afraid by the falls of Cardano, and they decide to sell, my friends. You can see here the people understand that continuously have start a continuously falls, and they will continue this falls for a long time. But no, they can't understand, my friends, the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, for instance, they are very, I can't talk about these people, they are very not understand the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, just look at the price chart, just look at the data of Cardano, and after that make a decision. You can see that is the last 3 days price chart, and the last three days price chart is negative, so this is clearly that we are in the loss. In the last 3 days, the price of Cardano is falls down from the 1.63 USD dollar to 1.47 USD dollar. So that's mean that you are in the loss. So if you decide to say at this time the Cardano, absolutely you are in the loss. You are in the loss. Same like that at this time the people decide to sell, and that is the big mistake of Cardano holders. At this time, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Cardano? Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research.